Watch this tired, rusty metal surface go from neglected to looking brand new again. We began by scraping away loose, flaky rust with a scraper. Once the loose rust had been removed, we used a wire brush to clear away remaining surface rust and expose more bare steel. Wire brushing also creates a key for the paint system to adhere to. The first product we applied was Coo-Var Rust Converter. This stabilizes any rust pitting and stops rust from spreading across the surface, preparing the surface to be overcoated. We applied it generously across the surface using a paintbrush. It has excellent coverage, so a little goes a long way. Once applied, leave it for 24 hours. You'll know it's ready when the rust changes to a dark navy color. Next, it was time for hammercote. This provides a tough, rust-resistant coating that's ideal for metal, ironwork, and other suitably prepared surfaces. Before painting, make sure to stir the paint thoroughly using a paint stirrer. Then apply it evenly using a paintbrush. Once the entire area is coated, leave it to dry for 6 hours. And that's it! With the right preparation and products, we've transformed this old, rusty metal surface into a modern, refreshed finish that looks as good as new.